Hello everyone. Are you a beginner with zero knowledge or you have some knowledge and looking for ideas to start a business? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. In this video, you will know what is a business and what is needed to start it. Also, I'll cover 7 small businesses to start for beginners in 2025. First, I wanted to pause this video and comment what is business according to you. Once you're done, let's start. So, in simple words, business is selling services, products, or providing solutions to customers in exchange of profit. Also, it needs right kind of mindset to start a business. If you are a problem solver and capable of creating value to your target audience, business is the right choice for you. To understand more about mindset, I recommend you to read The Psychology of Money, which is a book that makes you explore how human behavior, emotions, and psychology influence financial decisions more than technical knowledge. Morgan Housel argues that wealth building is not just about intelligence, but about managing emotions, understanding risk, and practicing long term thinking, and these are needed to you to start a business. But wait, starting a business is not easy. It requires proper planning, resources, and execution with a mindset. Before knowing 7 businesses to start as a beginner, these are what you needed to start a business. Number 1, a viable idea. Your idea should solve a problem, or you can find the gap and try filling it. These are the 10 types of ideas. Pause the video and take screenshot. Number 2, market research. Market research is important to not only examine trends but also to validate demand using surveys, competitor analysis, and tools. Number 3, business plan. Business plan is nothing but your marketing strategy. Outline your goals, understand your target audience, revenue model, and costs. Number 4, legal structure. Choosing the right business entity is a critical decision because it needs many requirements. Think and choose wisely. You can choose the most common business structures like sole proprietorship, LLC, and corporation. Before moving forward, know their pros, cons, and registration steps. Number 5, funding. Funding is different. You can use your savings, loans, or make partners for investments. Number 6, brand identity. Pick a catchy name and logo that people remember. Build a website and social media pages to show your business online. Number 7, operation setup. Buy tools or supplies you need, work from home or rent a cheap space, and hire helpers only when you're too busy and you really need someone to get your work done. Number 8, compliance. Get legal papers, pay taxes, and buy insurance to keep your business safe from problems. Number 9, launch strategy. Start small to test your idea. Run ads to attract customers and ask people what they think to improve. Remember, it needs continuous learning and improvement. Now, let me share 7 beginner friendly business ideas that capitalize on skills, trends, and accessible tools. Number 1, the famous freelance services. Freelancing is a top trending skill ideal for beginners due to its low startup costs. All you need is a laptop and internet connection. Offer remote services like content writing, graphic design, or social media management through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. Start by identifying a niche, such as resume writing or Canva design, then build a portfolio using free samples or mock projects. Pitch to small businesses or startups and enhance your skills with free courses on Coursera or YouTube to stand out in competitive markets. Number 2, content creation. Turn hobbies or expertise into income through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Beginners can launch with free tools like Canva for graphics or Anchor for podcasts, focusing on consistency to grow organically. Choose a niche like budget travel or plant based cooking, post regularly, and engage your audience. Optimize content with SEO tools like Keysearch to improve visibility on search engines. Number 3, drop shipping or print on demand. Sell products online without inventory hassles. Drop shipping lets you partner with suppliers via Shopify and Oberlo, while print on demand platforms like Printful or Teespring allow custom designs for apparel or posters. Both models require minimal upfront costs, making them beginner friendly. Build a store using Shopify or WooCommerce, then market through Instagram ads or influencer collaborations. Focus on trending niches like eco friendly products or pet accessories for higher success. Number 4. Online tutoring or coaching. Monetize your expertise in areas like math, fitness, or career coaching using free tools like Zoom or Google Meet. Platforms like Preply or Coach.me connect you with clients, while YouTube or Instagram tutorials can attract an audience. Charge 20 to 50 plus per session, targeting niches like ESL teaching or mindfulness coaching for steady demand. Number 5. Reselling. Buy low cost items and resell them for profit. This can involve refurbishing furniture or clothing from flea markets to increase their value, or purchasing discounted products from retail stores and selling them online for a higher price. Start with a 50 to 100 budget. Use apps like SellerAmp to track pricing trends and sell on products like Poshmark or Facebook Marketplace. High demand categories like vintage fashion or collectibles yield better returns. Number 6. Home cleaning or organizing services. Tap into high demand from busy households by offering cleaning, decluttering, or move in or move out services. Beginners need minimal equipment, cleaning supplies, and a vacuum, and can advertise locally via Facebook Marketplace or Nextdoor. Offer referral discounts and upsell add ons like deep cleaning or pantry organization to boost income. Number 7. Pet sitting or dog walking. With 70% of households owning pets, this booming industry requires no formal training. Create profiles on Rover or Wag, distribute flyers in dog parks, and offer premium services like overnight stays or grooming. The low barrier to entry and flexible hours make it ideal for animal lovers seeking quick, rewarding work. Pick one business idea that you think is the best for you and check out the description for all the links. And I hope you achieve success soon. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments.